Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions. In this video we will give C++ overview. C++ is a typed, compiled, general purpose, case sensitive, free form programming language that supports procedural, object oriented and generic programming. Students, this all data is gathered from various websites, renowned websites, which gives the right information. C++ is regarded as the middle level language as it comprises a combination of both high level language and low level language. C++ को middle language बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये high level की भी combination किसका है, high level का और low level का. C++ was developed by starting in 1979 at Bell Labs in Murray Hills, New Jersey, as an enhancement of C language and originally named C with classes, but later it is named C++ in 1983. 1983 को इसको C++ का नाम दे दिया गया और पहले इसको बोलते थे C with classes. C++ is a superset of C, and that virtually any legal C program is a legal C++ program. A programming language is said to use static typing when type checking is performed during compile time as opposed to runtime. Object-oriented programming. C++ fully supported object-oriented programming, which includes 4 pillars, that is encapsulation, data hiding, inheritance, polymorphism. We will learn all these 4 in details in further videos. Now the standard libraries. Standard C++ consists of 3 important parts. The core language giving all the building blocks including variables, data types and literals. Second, C++ standard library giving a rich set of functions, manipulating files, strings, etc. Third, the standard template library giving a rich set of methods, manipulating data structures, etc. The ANSI standard. ANSI standard is an attempt to ensure that C++ is portable. That code you write for the Microsoft compiler will compile without error using a compiler on a Mac, Unix, a Windows box or an Alpha. मतलब क्या, जो भी कोड आप लिखोगे वो पोर्टेबल होगा, चाहे वो मैक में चलाया जाए, चाहे वो यूनिक्स में चलाया जाए, चाहे वो विंडोज बॉक्स में चलाया जाए या अल्फा में. The ANSI standard has been stable for a while, and all the major C++ compiler manufacturer supports ANSI standard. जितने भी C++ compiler manufacturers हैं वो ANSI standard को यूज करते हैं. Learning C++. The most important thing while learning C++ is to focus on concepts. The purpose of learning a programming language is to become a better programmer. That is, to become more effective at designing and implementing new systems and at maintaining old ones. C++ supports a variety of programming styles. You can write in style of Fortran, C, Smalltalk, etc. in any language. Each style can achieve its aim effectively while maintaining runtime and space efficiency. Now the uses of C++. C++ is used by hundreds of thousands of programmers, essentially every application domain. C++ is being highly used to write device drivers and other softwares that rely on direct manipulations of hardware under real-time constraints. C++ is widely used for teaching and research because it is clean enough for successful teachers of concept. Anyone who has used either an Apple or PC Windows running has indirectly used C++ because the primary user interface of the system are written in C++. I hope this small video gives you the overview of C++. More and more videos are coming day by day. Keep learning and do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love, love. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home.